Looking to upgrade your home with furniture that blends style, durability, and smart functionality? In this selection from IKEA, you'll discover pieces that combine warm materials, clean lines, and thoughtful design details. From extendable dining solutions to elegant lighting and storage, each product is made to be both beautiful and genuinely useful in daily life. 1. Rosentorp Extendable Table. This oval extendable table combines classic styling with everyday practicality. The self-storing butterfly leaf lets you go from 6 to 8 seats in seconds without extra parts to store. Its solid wood legs and melamine top are durable and easy to clean, making it ideal for both daily meals and larger gatherings. 2. Storemala 8-drawer dresser. Built from solid pine, this wide 8-drawer dresser is designed for long-term use and heavy storage needs. Soft closing drawers run smoothly on hidden runners, while rounded edges add safety and comfort. The stained finish highlights the wood grain and hides small marks. Includes wall anchoring safety features and adjustable feet for uneven floors. 3. Storemala 5-drawer dresser. This tall, space-efficient 5-drawer dresser offers generous vertical storage without taking much floor space. Made from solid pine, it features soft close drawers, cast iron knobs, and lined drawer bottoms for delicate clothing. The warm stained finish blends easily with other furniture, and built-in stability features reduced tip-over risk when anchored. 4. Rockshun armchair. Compact and elegant, this armchair fits easily into smaller rooms while still delivering supportive comfort. Details like piping and pleats give it a refined, traditional look. The Kalanda fabric cover feels soft, adds visual texture, and is removable and machine washable, which is practical for everyday living. Backed by a long warranty. 5. Blid Vader table lamp. This ceramic table lamp adds a cozy, classic accent to desks, nightstands, or consoles. The sturdy base and brass-colored holder give it presence, while the textile shade with visible fibers creates warm, diffused light. It works well for ambient lighting and pairs easily with both modern and traditional interiors. 6. Stockholm 2025 glass door cabinet. Designed to showcase rather than hide, this glass door cabinet is perfect for displaying books, tableware, or collectibles. The oak veneer frame adds warmth, and the integrated glass handles keep the look clean and minimal. Adjustable feet provide stability on uneven floors, and it stands securely without wall mounting. 7. Idosen cabinet with sliding glass doors. A practical choice for offices or living spaces. This cabinet protects items from dust while keeping them visible. Sliding glass doors save space compared to hinged doors. The metal frame allows magnets to stick for notes, and built-in cable management makes it useful for tech storage. Durable materials suit frequent use. 8. Boastad sideboard. This sideboard mixes sleek black surfaces with oak veneered doors for a modern yet warm look. Inside, drawers and shelves help organize tableware, media, or household items. Adjustable feet keep it level, and the top surface works well for decor or serving space. A rear cable outlet supports integrated lighting. 9. Stockholm 2025 floor lamp. With its travertine stone base and brass-colored stem, this floor lamp feels solid and refined. The textile shade diffuses light softly, making it suitable for living rooms or reading corners. Natural variations in the stone make each piece slightly unique, while the heavy base ensures good stability. Ten. Stockholm 2025 table lamp. This table lamp delivers warm ambient light in a compact, elegant form. The travertine base adds weight and natural character, and the structured textile shade softens the glow to reduce glare. Ideal for bedside tables or sideboards. It combines decorative appeal with functional lighting for everyday use. Whether you're refreshing a single room or building a cohesive interior style, these pieces make it easier to create a home that feels organized, inviting, and timeless. Focus on function, add character with materials, and choose designs that last. That's the essence of Scandinavian-inspired living.